Hey everyone, and welcome back to my iDevice YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of iOS 18 and exploring the best home screen customization features you need to try. If you are tired of the same old boring home screen layout, iOS 18 gives you the power to completely unleash your style and personalize your iPhone like never before. We are talking complete freedom. Move icons anywhere, customize app icon colors, and even add widgets for a truly ultimate guide to your personalized setup. Ready to ditch the default look and create a home screen that reflects you. Stick around as we walk you through all the amazing customization options in iOS 18. For the first feature, just open up your phone, go to menu and tap and hold here, and you will see all icons are shaking. Just here tap on edit and select customize. Yes, tap on customize and you will see this menu. Now guys, as you can see, this is a new option for iOS 18 and you have 4 options: automatic, dark, light and tint, which are so great. And here, as you can see, for tint option you can choose your color for your icon, and here dark, which all of your icon will be in dark mode. Now one more time, tap on hold on here, edit customize, and here you can see the automatic option, which actually change your all of your icon automatic in all of the actually exist mode. Now you have 2 options here for a small and large, which change your icon size. Let me show you. When you select large, you will see your icon change to be in a large mode, and a small, which are in default mode. So great guys, and easy to customize. And let me show you the dark, light and tint. And for tint option guys, you can actually change your icon color and even brightness, as you can see. Let me show you how to do that. Here you have 2 options for color, and the second one is for brightness. Let me show you. For example, I will choose this color, I mean yellow, and here you have an option to brightness and fade them or make them actually more color. As you can see, you have 2 options which are so great. And here another option is actually for make a focus on your background. As you can see, let me show you. Just actually something like vintage on Photoshop. Make it sharp your actually background. And here you have an option to select your actually background to choose that color, which is so great and easy. As you can see my friends, it's so easy and no need to more information or details. So we'll go for next option, which is add widgets. Again, tap and hold on your home screen, tap on edit, and here add widget. Just tap on it, and here guys, as you can see, you have so many options to add for your widget. Now you can see I have a YouTube to add here, my VPN, and another app which you can add to your home screen as a widget. Now let me choose YouTube actually app for my widget, add widget. And as you can see guys, you have an option to have at least 1 widget on actually a screen on your iPhone or iPad, which is so great. Just tap on it, remove or even move the icon between your app. Again, edit, add widget and customize. Here, as you can see, again I changed my app color here, and you have 2 options here for this widget. You can select the way you can show your widget like this, or even like just as a default icon. Now let me show you what is that. For example, the weather widget. As you can see, just tap on hold on the widget and you have 4 options, guys, to actually how to show your widget actually icon. You can see actually, guys, it depends on your free actually space between your icon. If you have more space, you can choose actually big size for your widget. As you can see, this is the way you can see your widget with 4 options, which is so great, guys. Let me again tap and hold, and here just like normal icon, here tap on it and hold. Actually select one of the options, which is so great, guys, on your home screen. It's so lovely feature on iOS 18. Now, guys, you have an option to actually swap your icon down or up, or actually make a free space between them. Actually, this is one of the interesting feature in iOS 18, and you have an option to actually customize your app icon on home screen like this, which is so funny and interesting. So what are you waiting for? Go customize your home screen and show off your unique style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. We will see you next time.